Quick Florida real estate reality check, because this one surprises people. If two people are on the mortgage, but only one person is on the deed, who owns the home? In plain English, the deed controls ownership. The mortgage is just a loan. It showed who promises the bank they'll pay. So yes, someone can be paying the mortgage every month and still not be a legal owner if their name isn't on the deed. So here's a quick way to remember it. The bank cares who pays, Florida cares who owns, and Florida decides who owns by the deed. So why does this matter in real life? First, while everyone is alive, if you're not on the deed, you can run into problems when it's time to sell, refinance, or even sign certain paperwork. People often find that out the hard way, when a contractor, lender, or title company asks for the owner's signature and your name isn't there. Now let's talk about the bigger issue. What happens if the person on the deed passes away? A lot of couples assume we're married, so it automatically goes to the surviving spouse. Now sometimes it can, but not just because you're married. It depends on how the deed is set up and what planning exists. If only one spouse is on the deed, the home may need to go through probate to get transferred, especially if the deed doesn't reflect married couple ownership the right way. And if there's no clear estate plan, it can get even more complicated, especially with kids from a prior relationship or a blended family. So here's the practical takeaway. If you're paying on a home and your name isn't on the deed, don't assume you're protected. And if one spouse bought the home before marriage and never updated the deed, don't assume it will automatically transfer cleanly. The fix is usually much easier when everyone is alive than after someone passes away. So if you want us to review your situation and make sure your home ownership and estate plan match your intentions, schedule a no-cost initial consultation with us today.